going on?
How you doing?
Welcome back. Like and subscribe. We're
got some cool stuff to talk about today.
Yeah, we got some something new from Microsoft. It's gonna be today's video is gonna be a Microsoft video.
Again, like we said, we're trying to step back from the controversy.
Yeah.
Introduce, of course, the gaming news has been kind of. I feel like the gaming industry is just a little bit on the downside right now.
It's weak, but hopefully stuff like this. You have E3 coming up. We're gonna do a video on E3.
Yes. Some big titles look to be coming out. I know Mortal Kombat. Whenever I might just have to sell some stuff just to get that capture card.
You know, in terms of sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. In terms of like all entertainment right now, movies, video games, and everything, there's a lot of really good stuff.
There's good stuff coming out.
Yes.
You got Godzilla. You got John Wick 3 that just came out.
Yeah.
So
Avengers has been out for. It finally passed Avatar worldwide. I think it passed it yesterday. Anyway.
So we're talking about a streaming service today.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. It's Microsoft. It's their new project. I'm thinking they've been working on it some, but they're still in the earlier stages to mid stages of it. It's called xCloud. I don't know that much about it, but I thought it sounded really interesting. It's like a streaming service.
Now, again, these are James's articles. Just let me know which article you're going to first.
Okay. I'll do the Digital Trends article first.
Okay,
Just go in order of how we had got them on there. So, this is a Digital Trends article. Microsoft Project xCloud will support all current and future Xbox One games.
Which seems pretty cool.
Which is good. So that means that the developers aren't going to have to make new stuff.
Excuse me.
The developers aren't going to have to make new games for it or redo their old games, which is really good.
And I think this kind of fits more with like the digital era that they're trying to usher in a little bit more because it is streaming.
Yeah. And of course, Microsoft just released their Xbox. What was it called? I can't remember, but it was the all streaming Xbox, or downloadable stuff.
Yes.
There was no disc tray in it. So
now, is it going to be a service that people have to pay for?
I'm not sure. I haven't really read through these that much. I probably should have, but I'll just kind of read through them, and I guess we'll learn as the viewers learn. But I'll just start on the first article. Microsoft said, or first paragraph. Microsoft said that its Project xCloud video game streaming service will not only support. So it's a streaming service. So it is a service. Will not only support all current games in the Xbox family of systems, but also all upcoming Xbox One titles.
Which is really cool.
It's really cool.
It makes it really convenient.
Yes. Let's see. Next paragraph. Project xCloud will let players stream games from Microsoft's own servers to the device of their choice. The technology will open up console quality gaming to people who do not have the necessary hardware, with the only requirement being a strong and stable internet connection.
This is a very good idea.
It is.
With people that have strong internet, of course, I feel like people that have the capability of buying or who have good internet also have the capability of buying the higher end systems. Now, that's just me speculating. I don't know, but it seems like maybe that's. But I was reading down here, and this was a big point that you brought up, that xCloud is capable of running 3 generations of games.
Yeah, and I had an article on that. I don't even know if we need to go to that other article now if it talks about it in here.
Which is more than 3,500 games.
Yes, 3,500. In an update, this is the next paragraph. In an update on the technology through an Xbox Wire post, Microsoft said Project xCloud is capable of running 3 generations of games. You just mentioned that. Xbox, Xbox 360, and Xbox One. So any old Xbox games you enjoy, you just stream those straight to your console. You can play them.
Microsoft also said that there are more than 1,900 games in development for the Xbox One, and that all of them will run on Project xCloud. This brings the total number of current and future Xbox games supported by streaming service to more than 5,000 games.
This is really interesting. This is really cool. I love this idea. I'm assuming I don't know if it says it further in the article. I'm assuming E3, they're probably going to talk about it more when they do their conference.
It said it's streamed from the cloud, and I guess that's right in the title, xCloud.
Yeah, xCloud.
Which makes sense. It's from the cloud. You have to draw from that. But in the Xbox Wire post, Microsoft also said that it had streaming support to the standard Xbox developer kit. This will allow games to recognize if they are being streamed from the cloud, for features that can improve the experience, such as font size adjustments for smaller displays and hosting multiplayer matches on a single server for lower latency. Now,
air conditioner.
I know what's going on. It's for the first video. We're just gonna.
All right.
And I apologize if that noise is a little distracting.
It's hot here.
It's extremely hot in here.
Sorry.
We have to.
I just didn't know if you knew.
But that seems like it would be really good for maybe if you're making videos, if you're a content creator, because it seems like you can adjust things for what you're playing, or you could just make adjustments.
Did you read all the way through?
No, I didn't. Go to the next
hosting.
one.
Okay. Microsoft's internal nickname for Project xCloud is Netflix for games, which makes sense. All
Yeah.
streaming.
So it's okay. This is big.
And it is easy to see why, knowing how the service will work. It will have plenty of competition in the video game streaming space over the next few years, however, including Google Stadia, which I've been hearing a lot about.
Yes.
I didn't know what that was here until recently. Yeah, it's like a streaming service for them. Google Cloud supported the successful launch of titles such as Apex Legends, The Division 2, and the stability of the service will be extended to Google's upcoming game streaming platform.
Now it does say Microsoft has revealed that neither the price nor the release date for Project xCloud, an alpha version of which is already rolled out for testing to Microsoft employees ahead of public trials later this year. Okay, so they're gonna start doing like public
So,
trials.
like I said, I think it's pretty like early to mid development.
I would think maybe $20 to $25 a month. I think 25 would be fair if they're streaming.
It would be fair if you have
5,000
5,000 games. Yeah.
Now, what do you play? Do you play it on PC?
I think,
I'm assuming.
reading through it, it made it sound like you could play it on anything.
Yeah, but that's my thing. Microsoft would not allow you to be able to play those games on Sony.
No, but I think what they mean is like PC, Xbox One, probably maybe Xbox 360. I don't know. Are they
No,
still
because
developing 360s?
To me, the technology wouldn't even be that
It'd be
advanced
hard
enough
to
to
get
play
on there. Maybe
Xbox One games.
You're right. You're right.
I would say the Xbox One would be able to stream all other games.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That wouldn't be.
I would think, but that's just we're just speculating on that stuff.
Yeah.
I don't think some of these other articles talk about the same type of stuff.
Microsoft xCloud can stream up to 3,500 games from the cloud is one article, and then the other one is
Three
stream
generations.
3 generations. It was my fault for not reading through that first article. I should have read through that first. I didn't know it included everything in it.
The first article includes everything.
Yeah.
And to be fair to you, I mean, really Intel Core i9. I just got the i7.
Well,
I don't understand. Intel reveals Core i9 CPU that can hit 5 gigahertz on all cores. I wasn't going to go into that, but I mean, you know how fast that is? You know how fast the i7 is already.
look how
pretty
fast that one is. Yeah.
What are you going to say, on, and it turns on? It just turns itself on? It reacts itself. Anyway, guys, we just want to talk about some Microsoft stuff today.
Yeah. Like I said, we're going to be doing some E3 stuff probably tomorrow. Probably in tomorrow's video.
This video has been really short. The news has been kind of slow, but again, we want to cut back on the controversy.
It was hard to find stuff to talk about. This was one of the main things I found.
And this seems really neat.
Yes. Really interesting.
And we have another video coming up that I'm going to put in as a premiere, I guess, because I'm not going to be here tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then we're going to be getting ready to go on vacation. But you'll see that this video will be up, and you'll see the other video up, be on premiere. But anyway, guys, as always, if you like our content, make sure to leave a like, subscribe as always.
Comment.
Yeah, leave a comment letting us know, what you might want to see, what you think we can improve on, and we're always looking to improve and grow and try to do better. And hit that notification bell so you're always informed of new videos.
We got our gaming series next week. We're going to be gone, but Cody has them all set
Yeah,
to
I'm really proud of those
premiere
thumbnails.
already. So we have all those next week. So look forward to those. There's a forfeit at the end of the week.
And those
I'm not going
are
to tell
really-
you anything about who does it.
Those are really short. Well, they can tell if they just look at the picture, but those are really short, and they're for people to just come in and hang out and just have fun for a few minutes.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, we hope you enjoy our content. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next
Have a
video.
good day.
Yeah.